Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply add entrance animation for your Elementor website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Elementor and then just click on your section or column you want to edit, right? So for example, I want to edit this art teaching team. I will just click on it and then you will be in layout, but click on advanced and click on motion effects and you're gonna see here the entrance animation. So now you can easily choose which entrance animation you want. You can go like with the fade in. What I really like is zooming in. That's like my favorite, honestly. And then, or you can like zoom in right, but that's like too much. Then you have like bounce in here. It's also too much. Bounce in right is good if you have like the small element which you want to just jump. Then you get like slide right. That's also good too. Rotating is quite good too. Attention seekers, you can have like the flash, head shake, swing, jello, wobble. These are really good. Or light spinning and our specials roll in. So this is how we do it. It's pretty simple how you can add entrance animations. I'm going with a zoom in because I like it the most, and that's pretty much it. So thank you everybody. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'm really happy to help you, and also definitely check out those motion effects here on scrolling effects. So scrolling effects are effects when I'm scrolling up, it's going up and down or left or right, and really just doing what it should do. So yeah, have a great day and goodbye.